Hello and welcome to another segment of the Online Television Network, brought to you by Play TV. Thank you very much, Nathan Wheeler, our executive producer, for putting everything together. We promised you guys some segments, some speeches, some pontification, some clarifications on what's happening with the entertainment industry, how eWorld fits into the picture, how the Boomerang Media Station, the Online Television Network, Play TV, how everything fits into what's happening. We are here today doing our first shoot from the Hollywood Loft, eWorld Media's Hollywood Loft. We're here at Hollywood and Vine. You can see behind me the Capitol Records building, kind of a sign of the dinosaur type of era that's going on right now in the music business, and not taking anything away from Capitol Records or any of the traditional record companies that paved the way for everything that's about to happen and it has been happening with digital media. And you can see in the background that your Capitol Records building is round, and they actually created it to look like a stack of 45 records, but it's kind of come full circle, because doesn't it really look like a stack of CDs right now, or maybe a stack of DVDs? And that's kind of where everything's going, obviously, digital. And how does eWorld fit in? How does Play TV and the Online Television Network fit in everything that's going on? Those of you that are musicians, those of you who are not musicians, need to pay close attention to this little talk to explain to you how it is that we fit in and how it is that you can benefit by what's going on. Let's just assume right now that you're a musician and you want to get the word out. You're an up-and-comer, you're an unsigned musician, or a signed musician, or a big star. Doesn't matter. We can help you one way, shape, or form or the other. Let's just take, for example, the basic kind of the most entry-level musician that's out there, that maybe has one song or a couple of songs and maybe 1,000 fans, let's say. What are your options? Your options basically are, you can go ahead and create your own website and put your content up on the website, and maybe video content, and then have a link to an iTunes, or have a way for people to download your song. And that's one option. Another option is putting your stuff up on MySpace or YouTube. That's a secondary option. Really, there aren't many other things that you could do out there. Now we have a third option, in our opinion, the most exciting option, because with options 1 and 2, you need to promote yourself, and you need to get the word out there about your music, about your music video, what have you. What we have is a way for you to do the same thing that you would do on your own website, or even putting materials up on MySpace or YouTube or any one of these other fantastic sites that are out there, but make money in the process, not just make money on your content. Here's how it works. With the Boomerang Media Station, you can actually upload your own content into this player. Now, once you upload your content into the player, you can recommend the Boomerang Media Station download to friends, family, fans, let's say, to get out there and download the Boomerang so that they can see your content. They'll download the Boomerang because they want to see your program. They'll download the Boomerang because they want to see your song. They'll download the Boomerang because they want to see your music video. They'll download it because that's your fan. So if you're an entry-level type of musician, you have 1,000 fans, those fans will download the Boomerang. So you have 1,000 people now that have downloaded the Boomerang and have access to your music video or your song, what have you. Now, those people are going to watch your music video, they're going to listen to your song, they're going to go to iTunes or wherever you direct them to buy it. You'll make money there. Let's say you're selling t-shirts, they'll buy your t-shirt, your caps, all your merchandise, and let's say you have a concert coming up, they'll go to your event. But eventually, those people, those fans, are going to have consumed your product. There's no more consumption for them. And this is where we come in. What we have, once they download that Boomerang Media Station, they have access not only to your music video and your music, but they have access to thousands of other high-quality music videos, television shows, movies, what have you. Now, those people will keep that Boomerang Media Station on their computers, and yes, we know not everybody's going to keep the Boomerang on their computer, but a good number of people will keep it. In fact, we found out that the majority of people that download it for one reason will keep it for the other reasons. Now that's revenue for you. So while you're making your next song, or while you're creating your next music video, or maybe just taking vacation, you will start to earn residual income on everybody that has downloaded the Boomerang Media Station, and people that join the affiliate network network, bring their own broadcaster into the mix, and so on and so forth. In addition, if your music video is good, if it's really, really good, we'll include it in our video library. And now that music video will show side by side with the traditional music videos that we have, famous artists, and it'll look like, you know, you're one of them even though you're just an up-and-comer. And then now you have a shot to get to the next level in terms of exposure for your art and what you're passionate about. So you're not going to do anything different, but different than what would happen on your own website or on MySpace or YouTube or any of these other great places. There's a revenue share for you. For anybody that comes in and downloads anything, picks up a song, buys something on the Boomerang, does a search, and buys a television, what have you. Now we're in a situation where you continue to make money no matter what happens in the process. When you put your stuff up on MySpace and YouTube and these other places, it's great, but there's no revenue share. What we provide is a revenue share besides what's going to happen. People buy your song, buy your music video, etc. We now have a revenue share, a place for you to make money. In addition, who do musicians know? Musicians know other musicians. So those of you who are musicians, now you have an opportunity to bring your friends in who are in other bands, who are in other genres, and then also have a revenue share on what they do. And it's all connected through you by ID number. It's just like MySpace and these other places, Facebook, where you have eworldmedia.com/your username. If anybody downloads this Boomerang media station with your username, you get credit for it and you have the potential of getting paid when they go on that Boomerang and buy products and services, click on ads, what have you. In addition, those people that get involved with the business, buy their own broadcaster, and get involved with the company, guess what? You make a percentage on that as well, and so on and so forth. So if you bring in your musician friends, they're going to go ahead and benefit by everything that's going on. Now, this broadcaster and this opportunity is very, very expensive. You might have to have a family meeting. You might have to get the entire band together and your fans, have everyone chip in. No, it's not expensive at all. It's $99. It's $10 a month for your broadcaster. Yes, I know, MySpace, Facebook, these other places are free, but you don't get the benefit that you get here. Widescreen format, broadcast quality, the opportunity to be side by side with this incredible professional video library, and a revenue share opportunity. So go ahead and continue to click around on Play TV for the various titles and various subject matters. We're going to be covering all kinds of subjects. I wanted to thank you very much for tuning in, listening to us today, and we'll see you at the top. Thank you very much, and bye-bye for now.